Hey everybody, welcome back to Living Between Paychecks Kitchen. I'm Oz.
I'm in.
And that's Linda behind the camera.
Hello.
Jack and Letty are still down in Lake Jackson because COVID, so we're trying to keep away from everybody so we're not getting sick and not hurt my hand. So we're on location again at Linda and Ann's place because they have an awesome oven and it's Halloween time and we got to do this kind of stuff. Thus, the face, hat. So we're gonna do these Hocus Pocus things. I keep seeing them out there and I really want to try them. And my friend Alicia, shout out to her for sending me the recipe. Thank you very much. And we're gonna do that. Before we do, be sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the YouTube things, ring the bell, get notifications when we do these. We try to do them Tuesdays, Fridays, blah, blah, blah. You know what this is. Just ring the bell, get notifications. We upload, and let's get into it. All right, super simple bunch of stuff. You're gonna need some marshmallows, preferably the big ones. Get you some of the cinnamon rolls, not the crescent rolls. Get you 3 tablespoons of butter, some cinnamon, it's already ground preferably, and some sugar. We'll get into that. So you want your butter melted. You put it in for like 30 seconds in the microwave, it'll melt it down. Watch it, keep an eye on it, or it's going to get all over the place.
I'm going to make your cinnamon sugar. It's real easy. Just got your sugar and your cinnamon. We didn't really measure this, just kind of eyeball it to your taste.
Like if you want more cinnamon, add more cinnamon. You want more sugar, do it. You want to add hot sauce, fuck you, you're weird. Don't do it. But cinnamon toast, that's fine. Ooh, mine chili powder, so that might be cool. Mm-hmm. All right, so now comes the whole Jack in the Box for adults part that I can't stand. Just pull it off, and when it pops, set it down.
If it doesn't pop, you can just take your fork here and smack it.
Give me a bagger. I mean, it's needs punishing. Now, this is something we were not prepared for. It's the same company did cinnamon rolls for both, like the orange type that she's working with, and the cinnamon ones I have, and they're 2 different kinds. Like mine's already pre-rolled, and hers is long stringy stuff. We didn't know how to work this, so Anne put her super genius brain to it and figured out how to get it to work with this.
Yeah, just roll it out into strips, and then just take your knife and probably cut it into like 3-inch squares.
All right, now I let you use the knife because A, if you're gonna stab me, you let me know, and B, I would probably cut myself and bleed on your counter and get mad. So, so this is like the easy part, right? Get the butter on your hands or whatever, just stick it in there. Don't forget to put it in the cinnamon and sugar first.
Oops, I forgot to put the cinnamon.
And I'm a big mansplainer, so I'm like, yeah, you totally got to do this. So once you get that, you just wrap it up, right?
Just pinch all the edges, try to get them all closed, and then set it down on the seam.
Wait, you rolled yours back in the cinnamon and sugar. I
Hey, you know what? That's
that.
awesome.
That wasn't part of the recipe.
It's
but that's
extra delicious.
That's all about the improvisation. That's the best part. Now, I'm going to show you how a dude does it. Now watch this. Like, big old man arm. Just throw it in there.
Oh, just
disrespect your marshmallow
just like
surroundings.
Yeah. I am all that is man.
And then I forgot the cinnamon sugar. I'm an idiot. I'm gonna make up for it by just bringing it off because it's artistic that way. Pinky out, it's nice, and then I gotta go wash my hands. Wash your hands if you're gonna be doing these and putting your hands in the stuff and then licking them like I did. That's how I got the butter off. You think I got this big by not licking butter? And then if you got the round ones, I can just fold it over. Now, originally these were supposed to be done with crescent rolls that just fit around these. This is so much better.
So much better.
Trust me. And like I said, it's all just pre-made dough, so you can wrap it around. Even if it's got creases and lines in it, you just mush it, it'll mush together. Pinch it, and then set it down. Now, put it in your oven, preheat it for 400. Put it in there for 13 to 17 minutes. Check it, make sure it's brown because it's got all that different stuff in it. And bam, there you go. It's good to go now, but these came with icing. And that orange icing was absolutely worth the trip.
There's 2 methods of doing this. Either you can just put a little bit on like I'm doing, or you can totally bukkake it like he did.
Asian secret recipe. It's a whole thing. But these were super great. Those orange ones are absolutely outstanding. There's some that I've seen in strawberry that they sell it like that. I want to try those too. But they cost like $3 for that and $1 for the marshmallows. Absolutely worth the price. Love these. Try these. Again, try these. Let us know. And there you have it. We improved it by changing it or screwing up. But it worked out really well. These are outstanding. If you do it and you do it differently or you've tried it and you like how it turned out, let us know down in the comments. Or you can find us down on the social media stuff. You can find us on Facebook, Pinterest, and Patreon at Living Between Paychecks Kitchen there. Shout out to our patrons. Thank you very much. You can also find us on Instagram at Living Between there. And until next time, I'm going to go get fat. I'll see you next time. Let's go eat.